Hello everyone, my name is William and welcome back to my cryptocurrency YouTube channel. Today is the 3rd of March 2018. So in this video, I'm going to bring you guys another technical analysis on Bitcoin. Let's get into the chart. So firstly, let's take a look at the daily chart. As we can see here, when I was making the video yesterday, we just closed our daily candlestick above this long-term downtrend line, which started in the mid of December last year. Okay, and I said in my last video that what we want to see is we want to see consecutive daily candlesticks close above each other, and that's exactly what we did. So this daily candlestick was closed around 2.5 hours ago, and clearly we traded above our previous daily candlestick, and now today's candlestick is trading above that candlestick again. Okay, so this is just really beautiful if you are holding Bitcoins right now. Very bullish. And in my yesterday's video, I mentioned that as soon as we pass the peak of the previous wave 5, which is around 11,100 to 11,200, then Bitcoin will turn very bullish, and we can ride this wave to our next target. So let's just look at where our next target is. Let's go into a smaller time frame. Let's go to our 1 hour chart so we can see things clearly. So let's firstly look where I was making the video yesterday. I think it was around here. Okay, so we were still no, I think it's around here, so around $11,000, and we did not see this retracement. But in a few hours after I made the video, what happened is we had a slight retracement. If you watch the video before, I talked about this is an impulse wave, not a retracement wave. Okay, so since we identified this is an impulse wave, the people who are holding fiat should be very happy that we have a retracement wave here. And this is the Fibonacci level I drew yesterday to give me an indication of where the bottom of this small retracement might be, and I put in a few buy orders. Okay, so basically we take the lowest point around the start of our new wave to the peak of our new wave around 12,000. Okay, then we see the 0.382 Fibonacci level is around 10,844. What I did yesterday is I thought it would retrace further to around 0.5, but I had two buy orders, one at 10,822 and one at 10,800. They both got triggered. Of course, the majority of my stack did not get triggered, but that's okay, because right after we see a very strong move up again, and that's where I actually followed in, try to ride this wave. So let's look at where we might end up having our next retracement. So let's just take this off so it's not too clustered. This is what I drew in the previous video. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse and the ABC retracement, and clearly this will be another set of impulse wave. Let's just draw this. So our bottom wave 1 starts around here, peaked around here, and then we had our correction, and now we are basically riding the second impulse wave up, which is a third wave. Okay, so let's put our third wave, and then we have a fifth wave. Before I correct those points, let's have a look where our third wave can possibly end. As I mentioned in my previous video, for Elliott wave, impulse wave to work, the third wave cannot be the shortest among wave 1, wave 3, and wave 5. Okay, so let's just deduct the top of wave 1 with the bottom wave 1. So the top is around 11,200. Sorry, I'm just taking out my calculator. 11,200 minus the bottom of wave 1, which is around 10,270. That gives us $930. Okay, and then we take the bottom of a wave 3, which is around 10,000. What's that? 10,770. Let's just say that. which will give us 11,700. Okay, so right before the neckline resistance for our inverse head and shoulder pattern, which I drew 4 days ago. Okay, so it's looking good, and what that means is we probably have a retracement just around this neckline. Okay, and we will retrace back, and then we'll have a fifth wave up. If you watch the video yesterday, I mentioned that if we see this whole 1, 2, 3, 5 here as an impulse wave 1, that means our fifth wave, the top of our fifth wave, would end up at least at 12,200 to 13,000. Okay, so I'm still gonna go with yesterday's point, which is I believe our fifth wave will end up around 13,000. So if you are still sitting on fiat and you do not know when to enter, what I would suggest, but of course it's my opinion, not financial advice, I would either ride the wave right now, or I will wait for us to hit the peak of wave 3, okay, and then we start seeing a retracement just like what we saw yesterday around here. And what you want to do is you want to grab the Fibonacci tool again and basically draw from the bottom to the top of wave 3, and you want to start laddering your buys probably around 0.382 to 0.5 Fibonacci level. Okay, of course you can put some around 0.618 as well, but I just think we're in such a bullish mode right now, and we're probably not going to see the retracement below 0.5 Fibonacci level. Okay, so basically for the short term, next few days or so, this is what I see Bitcoin's price might end up be around between $12,200 to $13,000, which is the conclusion I made from yesterday's video. So I'm still gonna stick with that. And what happens is once we hit the peak of our current small wave 5, that would be a bigger wave 3, and we will see another retracement back, and then we'll probably see the price hitting about $17,000. Okay, so I am very bullish on Bitcoin for the next few days. So if you're in Bitcoin with me, let's cross our fingers and hope we can see a very nice run up to around $13,000 at least before our next big retracement. And hope you find today's videos helpful. Please give me a like and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. I will be doing daily crypto updates on my Twitter. The link is just in description below, and I will see you guys in my next video.